Yo, hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. So guys, on this video, I just want to know how you guys are doing trading. Just want to check up on you. It's actually a checkup video to know how far you guys are going trading, so we'll know how we can help you all to improve your trading strategies and the way you trade. Okay, so I would like you guys to drop at the comment section below. Just share your experience, share your mind on the way you've been trading. How has it been for you? Have you been making money? Have you been losing or blowing your accounts daily? Just let us know, and you will get will give you a way to improve your trading life. And you guys should also know that it's not just about strategies. Every trader, for you to be a consistent profitable trader, you need to have a trading plan. So I'm gonna help you design a very profitable trading plan that's gonna help you guys. So just let me know, do you want to be an active profitable trader, or you just want to keep on maybe flip an account from $100 to $10,000 in one day, and then probably the next day you can lose about $10,000 again. So it all depends on what you want. Share your experience. I really want to know how far the strategies and the training we'll be giving you guys, how far has it been? Has it improved your trading life? So let's know whether we are actually making an impact to the life of beginners traders out there in the world. So guys, this is Forex Success, and as you all know, we love you. Make sure just share your experience. So I'm gonna select based on majority to know what to teach you in, to know how to help you guys. I'm gonna show you how you can use a very profitable trading plan to make money consistently. Very consistently, guys. If you only follow the rules, remember I always say that you have to follow the rules for things to work out for you. That's why you have some people who are earning and some are still losing their funds because they don't follow rules. And another thing that is also making you some traders not to make money is greed. They want to trade the whole day, which is wrong. Luck can be on your side, and the market can be against you and the other time. So I'm gonna show you everything. So maybe we'll be doing this on a live video so everybody can interact with each other. So I just want to give you guys this video to know how far we have gone, like how far you are doing with trading. I mean, we'll be dropping videos for more than a year now, so I expect to see results from all the Forex Success family. So drop your experience. I just want to see comments on this video telling me whether you have been profiting trading with our amazing strategies, or you have been growing and losing your funds, or whichever way. Just share your experience. Tell us how you lose your funds and how trading has been for you, and what's the result you are getting, and then we'll find a way to bring a final result to all the problems or issues you might be facing. So once again, guys, this is Forex Success, and expect a final solution to all your trading problems. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out when I drop a video on how you can get a very nice trading plan. Thank you.